Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I got something great to show you. I'm gonna show you how you can actually remotely control Virtual DJ on an Android tablet or an iPad, your choice, using your MacBook Pro or a Windows PC. Doesn't matter anymore. But I find it kind of helpful because when I'm out doing an event and I have to leave the desk for a little bit, nobody's there to DJ, now I can take it with me. So if anything happens, the song is ending, I can go ahead and start the next song. And I'm gonna show you that right now. All right, so now you got your tablet or your iPad. What you're gonna need to do is go into the Google Play Store if you got an Android tablet, or you can go to the Apple Store. You're gonna wanna do a search for Virtual DJ. Yeah, I know, it's $19.95. Ridiculous, right? Well worth it, trust me. Once you've downloaded the Virtual DJ remote app, go ahead and click on the Virtual DJ icon, and right here it's gonna say waiting for connection. I'm gonna show you how to connect it. It's so simple. You don't even need internet. You just need a wireless router, or you can even use your phone's hotspot. You guys ready to connect the tablet or your iPad to Virtual DJ so that you can use it remotely? All right, let's do it. When you open up the Virtual DJ icon on your tablet or your iPad, you're gonna be prompted with this. It's gonna show you your IP address and the port number. You just take the information from your tablet and you plug it into Virtual DJ. Once you hit the plus button, it's gonna tell you you can enter an IP address manually. Go ahead and enter the IP address and the port number that is located right there on the tablet when you open up the Virtual DJ screen. Take that number, plug it in right here, you're connected. All right, I'm gonna show you the power of the remote control with Virtual DJ. Really hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope that I helped you out. Now you can help me out. Go ahead and subscribe, hit that thumbs up. It'll help my algorithms. I'll make more videos. More information for you guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.